think it's the privilege of being able to interact with young physicians-to-be and some of their earliest times in their careers.
When we first kind of got the committee together, we thought a lot about what type of voice we wanted to bring into the space. I think First Lecture is such an incredible initiative, and it's been historically student-led, and so we really wanted to bring in a voice that do justice to that kind of vision. And we thought a lot about kind of who the past speakers have been and authors that we've invited and who would bring in a new perspective. And so it was kind of that thought process generally that landed us with Dr. Lori Alvord and Scalpel and the Silver Bear, because we really felt like it was such a unique voice, not only within the First Lecture space, but generally within medicine, and really a voice that I think we don't hear nearly enough.
So I think for me personally, as a proud Native woman, having Dr. Alvord come and speak as our first lecture, just like I remember sitting in those seats last year as a first-year medical student and hearing from someone who comes from the same background as me, a woman who kind of against all odds became a surgeon. I think that's so empowering and the perfect way to start off the first year of medical school.
To be able to hopefully give them the information or input, share experiences that they will be able to take forward with them, that will help them to become great physicians, that will inspire them. I think that's one of the very best things.